Okay, so I'm gonna put glitter in this ornament. We're gonna do glitter ornaments. And how I do that is I use the Elmer's adhesive spray, and I spray this inside of my ornaments. Whatever size I have, this is a 2-inch. There are 1-inch ones, 3.5-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, whichever one you want to use. But I'm using this one today. I'm gonna shake my glue up, and I'm gonna put it as close as I can to the opening of the ornament, and I'm gonna spray it in. I'm gonna turn my ornament around, just short spurts all the way around in my ornament. You can tell that the glue is going on the sides of your ornaments because it turns cold. You can feel the coldness of it. I've made me a homemade funnel here for these smaller ornaments, and I'm gonna put my funnel in the tip of my ornament, top of my ornament, and I'm gonna pour my glitter in. Now this glitter is called tinsel glitter. It's much different than the typical type of glitter, and it shines more, it catches the light more in your ornament. Now you wanna put enough glitter inside of your ornament so that when you start to coat it, it coats your whole ornament. Instead of shaking it up, I just turn my ornament and let the glitter fall down the sides and attach. See that? Let it attach all the way around. Now I didn't put enough in there to do my whole ornament, so I'm going to put some more in. And it's okay if you put more than enough in, because you can always take the glitter out. And I'll show you that should I need to do that on this one. Alright. Same thing, just roll it around and let it attach to the sides of your ornament. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now, to get it out, I'll continue to turn it, but I'm turning it upside down to coat all my ornament. You put it over top of the container so you can get the glitter back in the container, or a dish, whichever way you want to do it, however you want to catch your excess. Isn't that pretty? It's a pretty gold glitter. Gold glitter ornament. Get it out in a minute. Don't pay attention to the nails. Yes, they are jacked up, but we're doing ornaments today, not nails. Okay? So we're going to take our top of the ornament. As I locate it, here it is. Pull the wire back a little bit. And take a hot glue and put just a little bit of hot glue in there. Put it on the top of our ornament. I'm going to twist it around a little bit so that the glitter gets everywhere on the ornament top. I'm going to press the sides back down, the little metal pieces, and make sure it's attached. That way, when you put this on your wreath or you put it on your garland or your tree, it's not going to come apart. And this is really good to do when it comes to glass ornaments. Here's my tree. I have 3 of these, and I'm going to add this to my tree. Keep in mind, you don't have to have a lot of one thing to make your tree look pretty. The lower branches, I'm going to add some bigger branches to it. I have 3 of these as well. I'm going to add some of these branches, these picks, to the tree. And your poinsettias, you want to open them up a little bit. Straighten out all of the little petals. So now I'm going to add my ornaments that I made to the tree. These are glass ornaments, and normally I would take them and zip tie them to a tree or wire them in a tree. But being that this is this type of tree is a tinsel tree, I can always slide them on and bend the limb around the ornament. Alright, I've got all my ornaments and my picks in my tree. And what I want to do now is add my ribbon to my tree. Okay? You can take your ribbon through your tree, or you can take it and make you a topper out of your ribbon. I think I'm just going to run the ribbon through the tree. And I'm going to start at the top of my ribbon. Okay, so I have put a tail at the bottom. See this tail down here at the bottom of my tree. And that's going to be to the front of my tree. That's the end of my ribbon. I promise you through this video, I'm saying something. Here, I'm just opening the loops of the bow. And I'm going to add 2 more bows to make the topper full and thick. Okay, now that I got my toppers on my tree, let's light it up. Let's plug it in. Ooh. Turn off the lights. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's so pretty. Before, after. All right, I've taken off all that stuff I had on this wreath because I'm going to redo it. And when I mess with this type of greenery, it cuts your hands, you know. It's like if you are pulling out the limbs on the tree, on your Christmas tree. Same thing with the garland and wreaths. So I put gloves on and I go ahead and straighten now that my wreath is fluffed, my stems are standing out, they're not bent. So I'm basically gonna take this garland and I'm just gonna put it through my wreath, down in the inside, and just keep wrapping it all the way around the branches. I take it all the way around my wreath. All right, I'm gonna put this in there next. And I have 2 of these. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cutters and I'm gonna take them off this bunch. Cut them all off. So cut them all off, I'm gonna fan them out. That's all the way through my wreath now, and they're in there secure. I started doing the bow, then I took it apart because I think I'm gonna do a different type of bow on this. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a smaller loop in the middle than normal. Still have my little tab in there where I can catch it with my zip tie. Still twisting it and bringing the like sides together. But my loop is going to be a little bigger than the one in the middle. See the difference? Then I'm going to twist and go to the other side. I'm going to bring my loop up so that it's the same size as the one on the other side. Now I'll continue to do this. I have two this size, and then on both sides, two loops of the same height or length. Like so, on both sides. And then I'm going to take my finger and measure just a little bit more. 2 fingers up. 2 more fingers up. Well, 2 fingers up on this side. And I'm going to do 2 loops on each side, that same length. And I'm going to keep doing that until I use up my 10 yards of ribbon. Okay, the bow is done, and there is the wreath with the bow. And we're going to hang this outside in our room. Room. It's my table. And back so you can see that. And the wreath is hanging. Cheers. And here is the tree.